ụtụtụ ọma n'ụtụtụ ọma n'ụtụtụ ọma, na-ekene m nwoke, kenekwa nwaanyị, kene chi anyị n'ofu n'ofu, kene ezumezu mmụọ anyị na ha so wee bịa ụwa, kene ndị ichie, kene aja ana, kene mmiri, kene ndị akwụkwọ na ọgwụ, kene arụbụ na agụ. Asị m ka tata mara anyị mma. Tata ụbọchị orie, anyị si mmiri atakwana ma azụ anwụna, anyị si ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ, ọfọma ọfọ ndụ ọfọ udo, ọfọ agadiru, ọfọ ihe akụ akụ ihe enwe nwe ka anyị na-agụ. Anyị na-asị ya dịrị nwoke na mma, dịrị nwaanyị na mma, dịrị onye ukwu na mma, dịrị onye ibe na mma. Ya gaziere anyị n'aka nne, ya gaziere anyị n'aka ekpe. Anyị si ka ọmaka mere anyị ebe ọ bụ na anyị si wee na-achụta ihe anyị ji adị ndụ, ka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie ya, ka ọ pụ na mbata anyị bụrụ ihe ọma, aka nri aka ekpe anyị bụrụ ihe ọma, iru na azụ anyị bụrụ ihe ọma, ka chi anyị tụba anyị ugo ndụ, ka chi anyị tụba anyị ugo udo, ka chi anyị tụba anyị ugo mmeri, ka anyị zụọ ka afịa, ka anyị ghara ịna ka afịa. Otu anyị si kwuo ya ka ọ ga-esi dị. Tata Orie na Afọ na Nkwọ na Eke na afịa na-anọ n'ụbọchị na-anọ dị n'ala Igbo ise. Aka m bụkwa onye nke gị, nwaada gbara ọma ụzọ mmiri. Abụ m onye mgbasa ozi ọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na-agbara ọma Odinani temple nke dị n'Enugu steeti. Anyị na-agba afa, na-agbasi afọ ike, na-arụkwa ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche, wee na-enyere ụmụ Igbo aka ime eziokwu gbasara ọdịnala Igbo, maka na ọdịnala bụ ebe ejedebere. Ọ ụzọ ndụ n'ụzọ eziokwu ka ọ bụ. Ọ ntọala ndị Igbo na ndị Egede dosara anyị. Ọ ụzọ ndị ichie anyị na ndị gboo gboo soro wee dị ndụ dịte ndụ aka, wee bie ndụ dị mma, wee nwee ọnwụ dị mma. Ọ bụ na anyị na-anya kịta n'ọtụtụ obodo dị iche iche, anyị anaghịzi afụ ndị okenye. Ịbịa na a whole community, ọ wụrụ onye 50 years ka a sị ya were ọfọ, ọ wụrụ onye 40-something years ka a sị ya jide ọfọ, na onye ọ ga-ana eme nka ka onye ahụ ga-esi wee ghọta ebe ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ ntọala o so wee gaba, ebe ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ ihe obido na nwata wee mebe, ebe ọ bụ na ọ bụrụ ihe o kwesịrị ịma na ya bụ nwata erubeghị n'ogo ịghọta those things. A wee na-eme anyị wee na-anwụ ọnwụ ike. Ịbịazie n'obodo, enweghịzi ndị ochie, enweghịzi ndị gboo, enweghịzi okenye. Maka gịnị? Na anyị agbakọtego ihe na-enye anyị ndụ azụ. Maka gịnị? Na anyị agbakọtego ihe na-enye anyị ogologo ndụ na ahụ isi ike azụ. Mgbe ọbụla mmadụ gbakọtere mmụọ ya na ya so bịa ụwa azụ, ka ọ gbakọtere onwe ya azụ. Mgbe ọbụla mmadụ gbakọtere ezumezu ya azụ, ka ọ gbakọtere onwe ya azụ, gbakọte ndụ ya azụ, gbakọte arụ isi ike ya azụ, gbakọte ọmụmụ nwoke na ọmụmụ nwaanyị ya azụ, gbakọte ihe nweta ya azụ, gbakọte protekshọn azụ. Imirikiti ndị mmadụ na-asị o nwee onye si mụ na that was last year na topic nkụzi si m that I am teaching na emebi ọfọ na ngwuru atọ, that ever since they destroyed their own family ọfọ ka ha nwetabere onwe ha. I laughed at him. I didn't respond to that comment because I'm not ignorant. And what we forget to understand is that atrocity and community in this life, if we don't suffer it in this life, in the next generation are going to suffer it. Isiokwu m wee bụrụ na ọdịnala bụ ụzọ ndụ, ọdịnala bụ ebe ejedebere, ọdịnala bụ ụzọ eziokwu. Onwe ifo ya na ọdịnala gbakọ, nwero religion ya na ọdịnala gbakọ, because this is whom we are. Tu ndị Igbo, onwe religion ya na ka m kwuo maka ndị Igbo. Tu ndị Igbo, onwe religion ya na ọdịnala bụ ọgbọ ebe ndị Igbo nọ, because that is whom we are. That is whom we are, our true self. Our true self. That is our power, our existence, our everything. Without ọdịnala, o nwere ebe onye Igbo ji azụ eje. Ọdịnala is us. Anyị iwe ọdịnala. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-anya onye dị oji bido tewe ude ọcha, mgbe black person bido tewe ude ọcha, you seeing that person, you know that the person is bleaching. This is not the true color of that person. The person is trying to deviate from his or her natural skin color to another thing. Even this my complexion, if I start applying cream, my pure ocha, and I'm a 2 day. Mgbe ọbụla onye ahụ ji wee hapụ ude anwa na-ete, that black ahụ bụ nature ya, the true self, the true color of that person will come back, because n'ihe ahụ true color ya. It is just like when you left Odinani to go to Ogboni, to go to Oka, to go to whatever, to go to Ikpishala. You are trying to imitate another thing that is not of you. That is not your original identity. That is not whom you are. That is the reason why a lot of people, when they come back to Odinani, the first thing, as long as they are taking the right step, the first thing they start noticing is peace of mind. Peace of mind. And when you look, if for that you don't even have money, you have not even achieved what you want, but you are having inner peace. Why you are having inner peace is because those things, those forces living inside of you are beginning to rejoice. They are beginning to rejoice because you have found out whom you are. And with time, every other thing will align perfectly. So ihe na-achịkọwa bụ gị nwa bụ onye Igbo na-eme ọdịnala, echekwana na ị na-eme ihe na-ekwesịrị. Because a lot of people will come and ask me, are you sure this thing I'm doing, I will not go to hellfire? Are you sure if I finish doing this thing, I can still go to church? Can I still go to church after doing all these things? Can I still do this or can I still do that? Ebe no ebe kwesịrị nọ. Enewe ene ebe ahụ na-eje wee ebe kwesịrị ekwesị, because kwesịrị na ebe anwa. Isiokwu m taata wee bụrụ things that we need to observe. Things anyị kwesịrị na-eme observe dịka ndị ọdịnala. I'll mention but few bụ ndị m ga-echeta kịta, because enwere akwụkwọ ndere ihe ndị a na-eji kuzi. There are so many things onye omenala kwesịrị ime observe. Na-abụrụ dịka nọ iwu ma ọ gịnị, ma nọ ka gịnị ka inwe ike wee nwee ezigbo a good grounding n'ihe na-eme. Dịka mgbe a na-asị na onye Igbo kwesịrị iche ihu n'anyanwụ wee kpọkuo mmụọ. Ihe anyị ji eche ihu n'anyanwụ wee na-akpọku mmụọ because we are the rising suns. Anyị bụ ụmụ anyanwụ. Ọ na anyị Igbo ka anyanwụ si ebilite njem. All from east ka anyanwụ si ebilite njem. Ebe ọ bụ niile na ịnọgodoro obodo oyibo, ebe ọ bụ niile na wee si n'anyanwụ wee kpọkuo mmụọ ndị gị na ha so, automatically they are coming there. Ihe ọ bụ niile na-enye ha, they are coming to take it. Ọ bụgodu na ị nọrọ n'ala Igbo, ma ọ na ebe ị nọ, ma na ị nọrọ Nigeria, ma ọ na ebe ị nọ na inwero altar, inwero permanent altar, si n'anyanwụ kpọkuo ndị gị na ha so, they will come. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ, enwere ọtụtụ ihe ndị mmadụ na-ada eme. When you are where they are doing these things, enwere ike isi na ha dị diabolic. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-eje ụka ife ebe onye Igbo ma onye omenala na-eme such thing, enwere ike isi na onye ahụ dị diabolic. Mana onye ahụ dịrọ diabolic. Ihe onye ahụ na-eme bụ ihe o kwesịrị ime. Ọ bụrụ na ị bụ ezigbo ọgbanje, ị bụ onye chọrọ ka okwu sie gị ike n'ọdịnala, mana ị nwebero a permanent place ị na-anọ akpọku ndị gị na ha so. Ị nwebero permanent place. Maybe ị nwebe shrine, ma ị nwebero altar ebe kwesịrị ị na-akpọkwu ndị gị na ha so. Ihe ga-eme bụ ije ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-eri nne, ọwụ mmanya ka ị na-aṅụ, ọwụ ọjị ka ị na-awa, ọwụ nne ka ị chọrọ iri, try and be dropping for them. Try ya na-atụsarụ ndị gị na ha so ihe. Because one thing that we don't know is that wherever we are, forces with us are there with us. Also good gị nọrọ obodo oyibo. That is the reason why imirikiti ndị mmadụ ga-asị gị, maybe when they find out they have call, they want to run away. They feel that traveling abroad will make them not to answer their call. Irukwu obodo oyibo ha esokwara gị ebe ha na-askata ihe ị na-eme. That is the reason why ma ndị witch, ma ndị ajọ mmụọ nwere ike ị na ebe a wee na-send the arrow to somebody far. That is to tell you that those spirits that we carry, those entities that we carry can be anywhere that we are. Also good day anyị gaa ebe asịsa gana, that those spirits will come there, nọrọ there, that place where we are. So that is the reason why onye ọbụla bụ onye ghọtara na mmụọ so ya, na mmụọ na-eso ya, onye ghọtagoro na ebe ọbụla ọ nọ, na mmụọ spirit ndị ya na ya so bi ụwa nọ there. That is the reason why you are in abroad and you are having dream of seeing yourself in the village. You are having dream of seeing yourself or seeing a particular water or a particular shrine in your community. Or that is why you could be in abroad and you will still see your brothers. You still have dream of your parents. You still have dream of your siblings. You still have dream of your loved ones. You still have dreams of those people chasing after you. It is because those spirits, they are there with us 24 hours. Especially those people that are called, especially in the that have not started their journey. Try as much as you can before you put in your mouth. Give them. Will not matter that they would understand that you or the but you have not gotten the opportunity to be doing it the proper way. And what we don't know is that sometimes when they carry something that they want to eat, it will slip off their hand. You want to eat food. The food you want to eat will slip off your hand. You want to drink something, it will slip off your hand. Maybe you carry something that you want to sell and get money from it. For you to raise it, it will slip off your hand and it to be destroyed. It is because as you are supposed to. So that is the reason why the simple and the easy way we have because those ones that you see them taking from you are those ones you are seeing physically. That you want to eat food and they are taking that food away from you. All of a sudden the food slipped off your hand and fell down that you can't even pack and eat. It will happen as if somebody is taking it from your hand and it's to just fall on the floor and the drink will just break. Do you know how many things they have taken from you spiritually? Trying to align this thing now with the physical one that you are seeing. Do you know how many good things that is supposed to come your way that these forces have taken because you are not giving them their own? You don't know. That is the reason why Ayinwawundi Odinana, even if we travel, even if we are not close to our shrine or to our temple, before we eat, we give to them, we throw to them. Let them eat as we eat, so that there will be total peace. It's just like when you have a child, as a mother or as a father, you have a child, and you get food, you want to eat food, and you did not give to that child. You are eating alone, and in return, you are expecting that child to go for an errand. Do you think that child will be happy? Or do you think that child will even accept to go? Come Igbo ya. Instead, flog him or her. That child will not go because the person cannot walk on an empty stomach. So this is the reason why eji atụpụrụ mmụọ ihe. Iwete nni yeri tụpụrụ ya mmụọ. As they are eating, you are eating. You have given them total permission to eat from you, to eat from your plate. Gina ha na-eriko. You know, I would want one of my fans to volunteer, somebody that is around, and come one day. Just one of my fans volunteer, come. Yeah, I may take you to my shrine. I may take you to any deity around. Yeah, I'll just rub it on your eyes, and I be go one more. Or even self, you just sit in my place. I'll give you food. Just here, I'll give you food. I'll give you drink, and I'll bring that leaf and I'll rub it on your eyes. And I will now tell you, bring some drink or bring some food from that which you are eating, and now call on your chi, call on your indiche, call on your ancestors. Say, I am giving this to you. As you are calling them with your korokoro eyes, you will see them with your korokoro eyes. Why I want to use one person and sample this, or two people can come, so that we will understand that these people that we are calling, they are existing. Even as you are eating, without calling them, they are already standing right around you. And if you don't give them, they will be angry. Makanagini ejere gozi steady, steady, steady. A lot of people used to doubt. How do you even see that they are there? You want to see it come. If you want to see that those spirits are there and they can actually come, when you call them, come. I will just rub something on your eye and if you run, ipunye mewu. Igbo also, ipunye mewu. Oya wabu deal mu no yobona gabia. Oh, ni nwere the mind, come. Oh man, if your father is dead and you know your father, call your father. Tell your father to come. If you run, ipunye mewu. That will be my deal with you. Because most times, people, they take it Odinani as no game, no oru brain. Oru brain. Or they play, they show. A lot of people, especially in the Jigoroka West Saisi, Hana free Odinani was as no oru brain work. Oru Odinani bro brain work. That is the reason why you can pray for 7 days and 7 nights, asking for one thing and you cannot see it. But my brother, lift your cola and your drink towards the sun and pray for that same thing. I give you 2-3 days, you will see it. Even if no miracle complete, you will see the sign that this thing that you prayed for is going to happen. Maybe you need a stronger aja to back it up. Makana enwere onye jụrụ m question. Na-ajụ m sị m, does someone throwing food or drink when they want to eat or drink, is it diabolic? That is why I am making this, I am teaching on this. It is not evil. It is not diabolic. If you don't give them, they will take it by force. That is the reason why most of us, when we bring what we want to eat, it will slip off our hand. That is the physical one you are seeing. What about the spiritual one that you are not seeing? Those blessings they are taking from you. That is the reason why when something good wants to happen to you, it is as if you are grabbing it already and it will slip off your hand. On digging a hassle. Those you are not feeding well. Yes. You cannot ask somebody that is hungry to go and work for you. As if people are seeing this video, anybody that is interested, that is willing to come and experiment this thing that I'm saying now, should come. Come to my place. Call me, send me a message. Tell me you want to come. Okay, I'm taking 2 people. Those that are willing, and I made me staged. Those that are willing to do this can come. You come. So that just some manya You will sit and you face the sun, chigi, ndị ichie, nna gị, ihe ọbụla ịma. You will see them coming to take it with anya gị na-abụ. Ka ị mara na ihe ọdịnala ọbụrụ ihe tere mama, ọbụrụ ihe tere rere, ọbụrụ child's play. That is the reason why if you are in this, you have to be very, very serious. You have to be very, very serious. So ihe asị gị sọ ihe aha aja anyị Igbo na-asọ. So all those things that might bring you down. Maka gịnị? Maka nchu. If you come out in your father's house, maybe you have an open environment, your house is not fenced yet. You come out in your house and you want to pray. You want to pray to your ancestors. You want to pray to your forces. You want to pray to the powers that be with you. Somehow. That is a challenge. Anya neregi means a lot. Aja anya that person neregi means a lot. The person can condemn you outside. The person can actually go outside and put on something that is not befitting to you, on you. Yega ajo akwa. Koto siagi. Because you lifted a cooler. Because you lifted a cooler. The person can even go as far as saying, let me try this person. Let me even know what is moving this person. What is even moving this person? What does he or she think that is happening? My brother, my sister, if you they will run you. Believe me, they will run you. Do you know why they are going to run you? Because those deities that we turned our back on, those deities that we have abandoned, those oracles that we have abandoned, those spirits that is supposed to be protecting us that we have abandoned over the years, do you know they have taken sides with these evil men? Do you know? Because no room we more can on the part of the people. When we are doing the right things that we are supposed to be doing for them, there is no way witchcraft power will rule in our land. There is no way sorcery power will rule in our land. But because we have despised those things, that is why they are trying to dominate us. So give one now that is waking up to Odinana, you should know that you are walking on the danger zone. Yes. You are walking an hour dibia or ordinary person. So it is not about in a quiz about if you post agorofiti say no. About ise. About ikantikwachim. Always yoku na chigi dị mkpa. Bụrụ ya nwa wizi ga-agodo na mmụọ gị na ha so tupu inyewe ndị ọzọ ihe. But it does not end there. It doesn't end there. Ekenekwa m ụtụtụ ọma latesha shegwe ndewo. Dere message na my WhatsApp number. Ma ọ bụ na ị nwere ajụjụ eju gbasara ihe nkuzi taa ma onye ọbụla n'ọdịnala Igbo. Ma ọ bụ na ịchọ ka agbara gị afa ọrụ gị mmụọ na 070-373-11663. Kpọọ mụ na 091-66-911-575. Ndewo.